Hi team, we're excited to announce a new initiative at Acme, cross-functional workshops. These aren't your regular workshops. Think of them more like lunch and learn sessions. We're bringing together people from various departments to share knowledge, exchange ideas, and foster stronger connections. For example, in our product innovation workshop, we'll have representatives from marketing, design, development, and customer service. Everyone shares what they're working on, their challenges, and their successes, creating a fuller picture of our products from all angles. These workshops will take place once a month over lunch, with an open invitation to everyone who wants to learn more and meet colleagues from across Acme. It's not just about sharing, though. It's about learning from each other, sparking new ideas, and understanding the incredible work being done all around us. This is how we plan to strengthen our Acme community, foster collaboration, and continually learn and grow as a team. At Acme, we're not just colleagues, we're a community that learns and grows together. We look forward to seeing you at our next cross-functional workshop.